When is the Islamic New Year?
The Islamic New Year begins on the first day of Haram, the first month of the Islamic lunar calendar.
When is the Jewish New Year?
The Jewish New Year, known as Rosh Hashanah, typically falls in September or October.
From a biblical perspective, looking at Exodus, when is the New Year?
In the biblical book of Exodus, the New Year begins in the month of Nisan, typically in the spring.
How did January 1st become the New Year?
Celebrating New Year's Eve on January 1st has pagan origins linked to ancient Roman traditions honoring Janus, the god of beginnings and transitions.
1st of January is not our New Year's, not for Muslims, not for Jews, and not for Christians. Traditions related to the 1st of January being the New Year's, like kissing at the middle of the night, wrath, are these of pagan origins?
Many New Year's traditions, like kissing at midnight